here this is my bus. Okay, and my bus is present. My question is telling me 5 meters away from this mirror. So this is my bus. Okay, this is my object. I know this. This is my object, and it is placed. So the sign of object was U. Okay, I told you that the sign of object is U. Okay, so it is placed 5 meters away. So this is 5 meters away. Okay, and it is 5 meters away. Okay, now it is at left side. Okay, because it is at left side, so I will use the sign of minus in the front of 5 meters because this is present at left side. Okay, now it is asking me the formation of image. Tell me where, how, which type of image is from all the biodata of image. Okay, and the sign of image is V. Okay, so one thing I am very sure about, one thing, that if it is no, not at focus. Definitely not at focus, because we have to find out this. Okay. So one thing is very clear with me, that it is a convex mirror, and for convex mirror, everything will be forming at right side only. I'm very sure about one thing. Okay. That if it is a convex mirror, everything will be forming at right side. Okay, and if it is anything will be forming it right side. Okay, remember, if anything will be forming it right side, okay, I'm very sure. If it is at right side, okay, it will be erect and it will be virtual. Okay, I'm very sure about this thing. Okay, but where image is forming, it is definitely going to form here, because this is convex mirror, and I know that convex mirror forms images here. Okay, but I want to find out the exact location. Okay, for this I have to use the mirror formula, and I need to find out the V, where my image is forming exactly. Okay, so for V I will pick this. I will pick from this, and I will find out the formula. Okay, the formulas. Okay, so I will take the mirror formula and I will do my stuff. So I'm taking this 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equals to 1 upon F. And for V, I'm using this 1 upon V is equals to 1 upon F minus 1 upon U. Okay, so I'm using this. Okay, now I want to find out the values. Okay, I don't have the value of two things. Okay, I want to find out the value. So I have the value of U, that is the distance of object, that is 5 meters, and definitely minus 5. Okay, don't forget this because it is at left side. Okay, I have to find out V. Okay, and I need to find out this F, because it is in my formula. This is F is in my formula, and I don't have the value of F. So how to find out the value of F? Okay, so actually in this case it is telling me that this is, okay, this is anything which is originating from C, and strike with this. Okay, or it is also telling me that this is R. Okay, this is R, and we know that R is equals to 2F, or F is equals to R by 2. Remember one thing, as I told you before, but for now I'm also telling you, I told you this. Okay, maybe you have forgotten. Remember this, that for this mirror and for this, remember. Okay, C is the imaginary point, and it is also radius. Anything which is originating from C and ends with this mirror is not this is PC definitely, but anything which is originates from C and ends up here, okay, it is known as radius of curvature. It is known as R. Okay, and I told you, if you remember this, or if you don't remember this, if you remember this, then okay, and don't remember this, then I'm just revising you that this is my P and this is my F. Okay, this is my this F, small f. This is known as focal length. Okay, so focal length is just half of this radius. Okay, focal length means this area. The focal length means this PC. Okay, this is my P, this is my C, this is my F, and focal length is this area is known as focal length. Okay, so remember that C is equals to 2F, or F is equals to C by 2. Okay, or R is equals to 2f, okay, and f is equals to, this is small f, R by 2. Okay, remember this is a relationship. Okay, so right now I'm having R, definitely I'm having R, so I am having F for sure. So what should I do to get F? R is equals to 2F, or F is equals to R by 2. So the F will be, R is 5, okay, minus 5 definitely. Either you should write, it is not need to write plus or minus if we are calculating something. I will know that if it is 5, it will going to be at left side. Okay, so minus 5 is upon 2 is equals to, no, it is 3. Okay, 3, sorry, it is 3. Okay, so F will be 1.5 meter. Okay, so F will be 1.5 meter. So I have my F. Okay, so my values are here. I have to find out 1 by V. I have F. Okay, the value of F is 1.5 in minus. Okay, and this is the minus sign. Okay, this is my formula, and 1 upon U. Okay, U is also in minus sign because both of these F and uh no, wait, R is in plus now. Yeah, it will be in plus. Okay, because it's R resides at right side, so it is in positive sign. F is not negative. F will be positive. F will be positive. Sorry, F will be positive because R is positive. Okay, R is positive, and F is half of this R, so it will be positive. Sorry, I was wrong, because C is at this side and R is at this side, because we are using a convex mirror. So both of things are at this side. Okay, both of things reside at this side. Okay, so F is, both of things will be positive because they are present at right side. Okay, sorry, I was wrong. I just mistaken. Okay, so I mistaken, so you can understand that how it is, probably it is possible that you will make a mistake, and most of the time the students make a mistake while they will get confused in right and left side. So don't ever do this, only because it is about convex mirror, and everything of convex mirror resides here, only object resides here, other than everything will be at right side. Okay, so just we have to use F as positive, because if we are find out F because of this R, and if R is at this side, then definitely F should be at this side. Okay, so now having this, okay, I'm just taking this, and we know that U is object, and it is always present on the left side, we know this. Okay, so I'm writing U, and my U was 5 meter. Okay, so this is 1 by V. Okay, I'm just calculating this by taking LCM and HCM. So this is 1 upon 1.5. This minus and minus, this minus and minus will get plus. Okay, and it will be 5 meter. Okay, now just you need to calculate this. Okay, by taking LCM and HCM, whatever you do. Okay, I'm taking this at LCM, that is 7.50 for both this. Okay, you can find out how I take. I'm not going to tell you how to take LCM. Okay, so by doing this, I will get 13.8 is not correct answer. 5.00 plus 1.50. Okay, now I'm taking rest of the question here. Okay, it will be 6.50 upon 7.50. Okay, now it is 1 by V is equals to 6.50 upon 7.50. Now my question was, I want to find out V, not 1 by V. Okay, so I will just reciprocate this, and it will be 7.50 upon 6.50. Each and every time you need to you do this, either you need have to find out V, U, or F. Okay, just reciprocate this, because we are not going to find out 1 upon value. Okay, we are going to find out the exact value, so there is no use of 1. Okay, 1 is useless, so it will be 7.50 upon 6.50, and the v will be 1.15 meter. Okay, the v will be 1.15 meter after this calculation. Okay, this is my answer. What was v was image. Okay, I'm getting my image in positive manner because there is no sign, so it should be considered as positive. So I'm getting my answer in positive. So what does it mean that if I'm getting my answer is positive, that mean I have to place v somewhere here. Okay, so right now write this again. I'm going to take this, okay, and I want to draw, I'm drawing this again according to the question, and question told me that my object, okay, my question told me that this was my object, this was my bus, and it was my U object, and it was placed 5 centimeter away from this. Okay, it was in minus sign because it was at left side. Next thing, my question told me that there is a C, okay, and there is R. Okay, so my question told me R, and my R was 3. Definitely R should be in plus because it is at right side. And it do told me that, it does told me that test is f, and there is a focal length. Okay, so I found out the focal length. Okay, I found out the focal length by using the formula r is equals to 2f small f. Okay, and f is equals to r by 2, so my f was 1.5. Okay, so this was my okay thing. Now my u is confirmed and my small f is confirmed. Okay, this was 1.5. 0. Now my value is v and it is in positive thing, and my value of c is 1.15. Okay, my value is 1.15 meter. Okay, and it is in positive value. I just obtained this. Okay, now where should be 1.15 in positive? It should be somewhere here. Okay, because this is 1.50. Definitely this is 3. Okay, this value is 3. Okay, if I between p and f, yes, very good. Yes, very good. Okay, so I should place one, this is 1.50, so I should place 1.50 1.15 somewhere here. Okay, I should place this somewhere here. Okay, here. So this is the place where my object is, my image is forming. Okay, so this is my v place. This is my v place. Okay, so I'm drawing this again. I'm drawing this again. This is my object. This is 5 centimeter away. Okay, this should be negative. Okay, this is my c. Okay, c and r are same value. If I'm drawing this r, then definitely it is c. Okay, so the value if c is 3, the value of f is 1.50. Okay, small f, I'm taking a small f. Okay, and the value of v is 1.15, that is something here. Okay, now one thing is very sure, okay, that if it is behind the mirror, okay, so it is 1.150, 1.15, okay, 15. So it is behind the mirror, then one thing is very sure, that if it is behind the mirror, then it will be virtual and it will be erect. Okay, so two things are very confirmed for me. Okay, now on next class I will tell you that how to make ray diagram by using this. Okay, this is very simple thing, we just need use to learn to make the ray diagram which we have studied recently. Okay, we will draw some ray diagrams. Okay, so the image is forming between p and f. Okay, the image is forming between p and f. So this case, okay, and for this case we will have to draw this. I will draw this on next class. Okay, for for today you just practice this, that how the value is obtained and how we obtain this value. This is the example directly from your book, that is page number 171, example 10.1. I just captured this example from your book. Okay, and tomorrow I will tell you how to draw this, how to draw this case, how can we draw this case on this this case. Okay, how to form an image. So definitely we are going to form an image. Okay, this is the point of image, but image is not forming. We know that image form here. Okay, so we will learn this on Monday. Okay, and tomorrow you will be having test of life process. Okay, I will take test of live process on tomorrow. Okay, and Monday we will learn how to make exactly diagram. Okay.